Hello viewers, welcome back in advanced lecture series. Uh, in previous lecture we were discussing about the essay writing techniques. Today we end the essay writing technique. It is the second part of the essay writing technique. It is basically the short summary or main points that we discussed in the previous lecture. Today we will end the essay discussion, and after that we will come towards the précis and composition writing. Okay. In tomorrow lecture we discussed introductory part of the essay, body, and the conclusion part of the essay. We discussed one lecture before. Okay, main points that we discussed, actually it is the repetition, it is the revision that we have already discussed in our previous lecture. Okay, introduction. We discussed in introduction that answer the question. These are the short points which can you visualize easily and smoothly in order to understand the major crux and major ingredients in an essay. Answer the question. This is the introductory part of the essay. Answer the question means answer the title. Focus on the title of the essay. Focus on the requirement demanded by the examiner. When you will focus on the essay title, you will definitely tilt your evidences towards it, and hence you will prove your thesis statement. So the major point is answer the question, means answer the title, focus on the title. This is included in the introductory part of the essay. Next one is begin with general points. No need to write complex sentences, ambiguous sentences, extremist sentences. No need. Write simple English, grammar mistakes free English. Okay, simple sentences are enough. Equally joined, coherent, and organized in an organized manner. It's enough. Okay, and introduction points begin with the general points. You can start with quotation, you can start with general sentences, you can start with abrupt opening. Abrupt opening is a common phenomenon in essay. Abrupt opening is generally mean indirect opening of any essay. That in writer, the examiner doesn't know what he is going towards, where he is going towards, or what he will discuss in introductory part. In abrupt opening, in thesis statement, an examiner can judge, okay, he is going towards that direction. And inshallah, this is a theoretical part. When we will come towards practical exposure, we will make outlines, we will inshallah make introductory parts, we will practice all these things, because practice is very vital in essay writing techniques. Without practice, there is nothing. This is only tools. These are the only justifications, or you can say instruments, basic techniques. Without practice, nothing is possible for you people. Okay. Okay. Next is show your understanding of task set. It means how you started your essay. Okay. How you grabbed the introductory part, and what the thesis statement you have set. Okay. When you will set the thesis statement, I have already discussed in the previous lecture what is thesis statement. Thesis statement can be provable, thesis statement can be effective. Okay, you can prove the thesis statement with evidences, authentic logical arguments which are coherent and properly organized, relevancy. These we have already discussed in our previous lecture. Okay, thesis statement. When we will set the thesis statement, next parts came about body. Okay. In our previous lecture, I also discussed that we have to prove our thesis statement in body parts. Okay. We have to connect little paragraphs, little ideas. Okay. And we will, the major focus, the central point throughout the essay will be the title. Will be the to prove the thesis statement. In body, we will explain our paragraphs. We will explain our thesis statement in the form of little paragraphs, but inherited and commonly organized way. Okay, each main point separate paragraph. Each paragraph should be separated. Each paragraph should deal with some idea, but organized. I have already discussed, but organized. Logically organized, I have already discussed what the logical organization. Relevant examples. Okay, you can set relevant examples in body parts, in the body of the essay. Examples can be many types. I have mentioned, you can put on any reference like international organizations. I have already discussed. And international organization means IMF, UNO, World Bank, UNICEF, Transparency International, NATO, WTO, World Health Organization, IPCC. Okay, these are the global organizations. No, you have to illustrate according to the nature of your topic, according to the nature of your title that you have selected for writing. Okay, you will write the role of these organizations like NATO. NATO can play a role where? NATO can play a role in United Nations peace mission. Okay, in few years back there was an essay about United Nations peacekeeping mission. Okay, if such nature of essay came, then you will select NATO because it is a military alliance. You will write down its role in the maintaining peace mission of the UNO. Like IMF, if the essay comes about economy, you are dealing with whatsoever the economy or the obstacles, either these are the Pakistani related, either these are related to 5 veto powers. Okay, you can also reference IMF, World Bank, because it also deals with the economic situations. WTO, World Trade Organization, you can also reference in economic essays. Okay, next is the Transparency International, like in corruption. If the essay came about corruption, you can reference the Transparency International Index, where we are standing all the other countries. I mean, you have to join according to your topic, according to your essay title. These organizations are very important and these play a very vital role. Do must reference these organizations because these are very important, and I think these are the value-added services. Your examiner will be impressed. Okay, because we have to impress the examiner with our writing. Examiner don't confuse with our writing. His interest becomes more increasing throughout the essay. Okay? Therefore, we have to put on many diplomatic ways to impress the examiner. You can say we can create interest in our writing with multi-dimensional, because essay is a multi-dimensional word. You have put on all the dimensions from all sides. Whatsoever it is the political dimensions, economical dimensions, socially dimensions, theological dimensions, literature, whatsoever. You have to put on and make the unity and organization and relevancy. These are depends on your choice and your topic. The final part was conclusion. In conclusion, these points brief recap in relation to title. In conclusion, we discuss brief recap in relation to title. What was the title you selected? What was your thesis statement? You have to actually reproduce the things here. Summary of the main points. The main points that you presented in the body. You have to summarize these points in the concluding parts. Evaluation of the main arguments. Definitely you have presented logical arguments to prove your thesis statement. So you have to evaluate a little bit, touch to the main arguments. What you have evaluated from your essay to prove your thesis statement. A few points about evaluation of main arguments. Finally, the highlight most important aspect. What you have actually learned from that title, from that essay. What can be the future blind spots, what the incoming aspirants can do what future perspective, you can also little bit make a single touch for that. This is all about the theoretical part of the essay, basic techniques to write the essay. I tried my best to elaborate all these techniques. Inshallah, when we will discuss about its practical exposure, we will make many outlines, we will make thesis statement, we will also discuss how many types of essays, we will discuss complete statements, okay, we will discuss universal truth, if any essay comes about universal truth. We will also inshallah discuss and make practical exposure with the help of examples as well as I will also further make some techniques which can enhance your knowledge and your exposure. Okay, after that lecture the essay part has been concluded almost. Next will be inshallah the Pressy part, and inshallah after that Pressy part we will make lectures about grammar, although grammar comprehensively and smooth understanding for grammar, articles, parts of speech, because many students make mistakes in grammar. So grammatical mistakes should be dealt with accurately and most diverting the attention on this part of. Okay viewer, thank you very much for viewing our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.